Welcome to Sunring Group Network. In this video, we will show you how to create a new YouTube channel using your mobile phone browser. This video content may look small. Please try to follow up.
Welcome to class. My name is Joseph Obankole and I'll be taking you through this class on YouTube creation. So the first thing I did is to launch my Opera Mini browser and I typed youtube.com. Then I set the browser to desktop mode on my mobile phone. So I click sign in now. So in this page, I'm going to sign in with my existing Gmail account. And I'm going to put my password. Then I'll log in. Okay, so now the page has granted me access to my YouTube channel. Because I have an existing YouTube channel account, I'm going to be creating a new one. So I click on settings. So as you can see, I have an existing channel. So it's asking me, do I want to add or create? So I click on add. Then I click here, create a channel. So my channel before was Success Tips TV. So I'm creating another one. So in this section, I'm to type in the name of my new YouTube channel. In my previous video, I showed you how you can search for existing channel. So if you have a good YouTube channel name, you can search if it exists before. So photography awards do not exist. That's good for me. So I'm creating this. So what I'm going to do now is to select the I understand agreement. So I select that, then I click on create. So when you create your channel like this, you wait for a few seconds, then it takes you to your home page. Your home page will be blank. There is nothing there. It will tell you that your channel do not exist before, meaning that it is just a newly created channel, and hopefully will not have any challenge in creating this one. So I'm just waiting for the page to load. So I've clicked on create now. It's still loading up, just a few more seconds. We're almost there. Yes, we are here now. So as you can see, the page is blank. It's showing me that the channel do not exist.